Okay, so I am an advocate for looking past what you see and seeing it for what you want it to be. Oh, bars.
Bars.
That's actually pretty good. That came out of the dome. That wasn't written. What's up, everybody?
Hello.
My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. A special hello to all my new faces. I felt a lot of love and support on my last video, so I wanted to say a thank you. And to all my oldies but goodies, all my OGs, y'all know how I feel about y'all too. Love y'all. Let's jump into the video. Okay, needless to say, I went shopping again. Every time I feel like, okay, this space is complete and it's perfect, I find another piece. Typical. Everything in this haul is gonna be sculptural. You guys know I stand by a sculptural piece. I really feel like it brings any space up. Like it elevates it, makes it feel custom, and it's really gonna bring some character to the room. So let's jump right into the haul because it's not super long, but it's super good.
That's what she said.
First up, we have these CB2 marble sculptures, and I have been eyeing these since I saw them on the site months and months ago. I'm gonna call y'all back because I'm trying to finish this video. I'm trying to finish this video, okay? Love y'all, bye.
Disrespectful.
Me like that.
So nasty.
And that's what happened.
So rude. So nasty and so rude.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. These are so good. Now, like I said, these were pricey back when I saw them, so I just, you know, doing my thing, kept stalking them. The design god smiled upon me.
The design god smiled upon me.
And I was able to get them for over 50% off. The big one was originally $249 and the small one was $199, but I got them for $99 for the small one and $124 for the big one. Yes. I have to show you guys these separately because they are heavy AF, but this is a small one. If the light will adjust, we can all see. Here we go. Maybe if I do it this way, yes. So this is a small one, and like I said, these are so heavy, very sculptural. You see here on the sides, and I just love it. I can't say enough good things about it. I love how neutral it is, but it's still bold, and we all know Andrea is obsessed with marble, so they were a no-brainer. So here's the little guy. Oh, woo-wee. Ooh, let me readjust myself. Ooh, it's a little workout. So here is the big one. And you guys, like I said, I can't say enough about this piece. Like, oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. Okay. So, I'm gonna do this. It's so heavy and I have to go to the gym after this. Okay. So this one is equally as beautiful, bold, and neutral and abstract as the small one. This one is a little bit more abstract because, of course, you get more. Oh my gosh, this thing's heavy. Whew. You get more surface area, so there's more room for it to be a little bit more narrow in the middle. But yeah, these are so good. They look so good paired together. And like I said, these sculptural pieces, you just stick them like on a console table, or I'm not putting them on bookshelves. Y'all can take that chance if you want to, but this is easily like 40, 45 pounds, or maybe like 35 pounds, but it's heavy. I originally bought them to put on some bookshelves that I was gonna hang, some wall mounted ones, but we're vetoing that idea because no, I do not want these to fall and break. So these are just gonna go on my desktop that I'm working on. And yeah, they're just so good. They were a no-brainer. I'm a little bit out of breath. But these kind of pieces are just easy. If you have a really hard time picking things that'll look good in a space, on a mantle, on a console table, get these kind of pieces that are sculptural, that already do the work for you, where you don't have to do a lot of styling, you know, around them. Because honestly, just put these two pieces somewhere with nothing else and you're done. That's it. You don't need any books. You don't need any vases, just these. So excited to have these. These next pieces can be found at CB2 as well, but yours truly found them at HomeGoods. They are these gold asymmetrical mirrors. They are total dupes for the smaller version of the CB2, what's it called? The CB2 Abel round mirror, and I can't believe how cheap I got them for. So the ones at CB2 are $349 for the smaller version, which these mirrors are about 36 inches wide, and I got mine for $99.99 a piece. So I got the set for $200. I am thinking about either painting them black or doing some kind of plaster situation. I haven't really decided yet. I did share these as soon as I got them over on my Instagram, so if you're not following me there, you should consider following me, because they get the exclusives. They get everything first before I put everything into a haul and bring them to YouTube. Anyways, off that, like I was saying, I'm not really sure if I want to go with black or like a creamy plaster texture on the outside. I'm still deciding on where I want to put these mirrors, but I just love an asymmetrical mirror. They look good in any space. If you have a really minimal space, you know, that brings a lot of drama, or just enough drama where it makes it a little bit more interesting to look at. If you have like a classic room that has, you know, just a lot of classic timeless pieces, and you want to throw a little curveball in there, an asymmetrical mirror is a good way to do so, and I'm just so excited I found them. Such a good deal. Alright, next up is going to be another mirror I found on the same day I found those gold mirrors. So I actually saw this a long time ago on Arvin Olano's page. He has the floor mirror version of it, and it's like $839 on the website. I couldn't do it. I really love the mirror, but you guys know I'm a little frugal friend. Is that the term? I'm frugal friend when it comes to my coin. Like, if I don't have to spend that much money, I'm not going to. So, to my surprise, I found this dupe at HomeGoods. It's not as big as the one Arvin Olano has, the Madeline mirror. I'll put that picture up on the side, but it is a really good size still. I think it's about 48 inches high. And it's really heavy, and it's really good quality, and I love it. As soon as I saw it at HomeGoods, I was like, throw it in a bag. Let's go. Take this up front, because I didn't want anybody touching it. I didn't want anybody to get it. It was $199.99, but I kind of finessed the situation because it did have a few little things and dents, just a little bit around the bottom. So I was like, hey, can we knock some off this price? And they gave me an extra $20 off, so I got it for $180. So happy to have found it. I'm actually on the hunt for a second one, because I'm thinking they will look dope in my bedroom to kind of throw a little curveball in here, because everything looks so, I do have like classic pieces in here, and then I throw a little bit of abstracts, like with my round pillows and my lamps that I made. But I feel like those mirrors really bring a little bit more drama, and if I add those mirrors on the side and replace the ones I have now, I feel like it'll be magic. So yeah, I am on the hunt for another one, and I will let you guys know if I do find it, but if not, this one's gonna look dope wherever I hang it. So check your HomeGoods and your Marshalls and your TJ Maxx's, because this mirror is a good one.
He's a good man, Savannah. A good man.
Okay, so I am an advocate for looking past what you see and seeing it for what you want it to be. Oh, bars.
Bars.
That was beautiful. That was actually pretty good. That came right off the dome. That wasn't written. But anyways, like I was saying, I really am into looking past or looking at the bones of something and seeing if it can be something that I'm looking for. So long story short, I was scrolling on Pinterest, or maybe it was Instagram. I don't know. I'll share the image here on the side of the screen, and I saw this amazing like abstract like sculptural piece that was on the floor of this room, and I was like, oh my gosh, where can I get this, right? Searched, 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 and 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 searched, 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 and searched, and searched, searched. Couldn't find it. I feel like that's a custom piece. Somebody made it. So I'm thinking, all right, I'm gonna have to make my own. Don't know where to start, but we're gonna figure this out. Interesting enough, I was going through the garden section at Homegoods and I found these two planters. Just bear with me, okay? It's all gonna come together. It's all gonna make sense. So I got these two planters. You know, they're not like the highest quality. These are plastic, like not really that heavy at all. Very kid friendly. I don't have any kids, but I just thought I'd throw that in there. But they do have some really good texture in them, and they're a really good nude color. To the naked, untrained eye, these will look like just two plain planters. But if you turn this one upside down and this one upside down and stack them, wait. Ta-da! We have us a little mini sculpture. Are you dying? Are y'all seeing this?
That might not do it for y'all, but damn it, that done it for me.
This one was $14.99 as well as this one, and I just feel like this was genius. This is sitting on the floor in my living room right now. I am going to have to find some kind of plaster, maybe some putty to kind of fill in this little indentation it has here on the top. Or if you still want to use this as a planter but it's too small, just stick these. I just stuck these this way and now you have a bigger planter. I think it's so cute and you still get your texture in there and it's just, oh, I'm obsessed. I don't know about y'all, but this did it for me, okay? Like, I just love it. But like I said, it's actually sitting this way on the floor in my living room and it looks so good in there. Oh, just brings so much to the space. This is just an example that you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get the look. As long as you have the vision and alright, we're gonna stop trying to be philosophical. I just like the way this looks. And like I said, I paid $30 for them together and I just love it. And I think I was a genius for putting it together. Genius, man. So, you're welcome. And last but not least, we have a little paper sculpture. This is what it's called on the H&M Home website, which is where I got it. And I just thought this was the cutest thing. It's like ceramic, so it really gives you that plaster look. And just how abstract it is. Definitely just sit this on a bookshelf, in a bookcase, on a console table, on a console, or on a cup. Let's try this again. Sit this on a console table, coffee table, bookshelf, bookcase, wherever, and you are gold. And it was so affordable. It was only, I believe this was only like $34.99, and it looks so designer, so custom. It's this very neutral color, so it fits pretty much any space. So yeah, this was a no-brainer. Like I said, this is from H&M Home, and they have been killing the game when it comes to home decor pieces at an affordable price. So make sure you guys check out that site. It's not sponsored or anything. I just really stand by what I like, and I like H&M Home. So pieces like this really bring a lot to the space, like I said before, and are a no-brainer. Just kind of sit this down somewhere and you're done. Okay guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Sign off in the comments and let me know which item was your favorite, and if you have some of the same ideas that I had, like with those planters, because I just feel like that's genius. Like, y'all ain't gonna take that away from me. Like, I'm a genius. Sound off in the comments. I already said that. Don't forget to like, comment, and what the heck? Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.